A very good evening to children. As you all know, I am your Bhasha sir. Welcome back to our channel, Maths with Khadir sir. As you know, we completed the place value system in the previous video. Today we are going to learn the expanded form of the numbers. So, what is expanded form? Expanded form is nothing but breaking that number into regarding the place values and showing the value of each digit in the number. For example, see, today's our topic is expanded form. What is that? Expanded form. For example, take a number 54,382. So we know the places. What is that? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Now, breaking down the number regarding its place value, regarding its place and showing the value of each digit in the given number. For example, see here 2 is in which place? Ones place. That means how many ones are in here? 2 ones. Here 8 in which place? Tens place. That means how many tens are in the tens place? 8 tens. 8 tens are how much? 80. Next 3 in which place? Hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. Next, how many thousands are in the thousands place? 4 thousands. How many thousands? 4 thousands. Next, how many 10,000s are there? 5 10,000s. That means 5 tens are 50. 50,000. So, nothing but expanded form is nothing but writing the numbers like this. See here, 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 2 is equals to how much? 54,382. That means breaking down a number regarding its place value and showing the each value of the number and expressing the each value of the number. Now this is example 1. Now see the another example. What is that? 64,784. If you observe what are the places here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Now how many ones here? 4 ones. How many tens here? 8 tens. 8 tens. 8 tens. 8 tens are 80. Next, how many hundreds here? 7 hundreds. 7 into 100? 7 hundreds. Next, how many thousands are in the thousands place? 4,000. Next, how many 10,000s are in the 10,000 place? 6. That means 6 tens are 60 and 1,000. 60,000. Now writing the number 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 4 is equals to 64,782. This is how you have to write expanded form of such numbers. So this is expanded form. What is standard form? Standard form is nothing but this number. This number. And expanded form is nothing but this number. So this is how we have to write the expanded and standard form of such numbers.